queen, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple invisible part crochet braids. So basically the hair I'm going to be using, I just show you that, and I also show you the braids pattern. You can slow down the video to see the braids pattern or to see the hair I'm doing, but basically all I'm doing is just crocheting the hair. The braids pattern is very significant to this hairstyle because the hairstyle have to give you the invisible part, and you can't get the invisible part in if your braids pattern is not good. So take your time with the braids pattern, rewind the video to make sure that you get the braids pattern right, and right after that just crochet your hair. Basically that's what I'm doing. I just crocheting it now, and yeah, let's just keep on watching, people. Okay, I'm done crocheting the hair. All I'm doing is just cutting the hair to make it even and start the hair. You can keep the curls like that if you want, but to me the curl look too perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and like basically destroy the curl. I'm gonna take it from together. I want the hair to look puffy. I want it to give me like I'm wearing wig but not ready. So like looking at the curl right now, I'm not feeling it. Just a little too perfect for me. So yeah, it's the final look. I went out here, I started up with the bands. That did not work out. Like, you feel me? I just manipulate the hair. I dead ass manipulate it. Like, just take it from the pot, destroy the curl, and I just like the frizzy, like, you know, messy kind of look, because it gave you that invisible party. It gave you that puffy, like, you know, afro kind of look, and that's what I'm like rocking right now. I like it, y'all. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I will see you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe, beauty queen.